Do you trust your AI coding assistant to set up your Conda environment perfectly on the first try? The reason you don't is that it has no idea what's actually on your system. Your AI assistant is operating completely blind. Anaconda MCP fixes that. Anaconda MCP is a unified gateway that sits between your AI tools and your Conda installation. It gives Claude and any other MCP-compatible tool direct structured access to your real environment state. I've created a demo repo for using Anaconda MCP with Claude Desktop, and it has a setup script that handles everything for you. It creates a dedicated Conda environment, installs Anaconda MCP for you, and runs the necessary commands to register it with Claude Desktop automatically. Now, there's one more thing the script does that's worth understanding. It configures a second MCP server, the file system MCP server, and it deliberately scopes it to only the demo directory. Claude can read files in that folder and nowhere else. And that's intentional. File access in Claude Desktop is not a blanket. It's controlled through this config file. And once you're done with the demo, you can open Claude Desktop config.json and point the file system server at your actual projects. Once you've done the install, restart Claude Desktop when you're ready. Okay, now we need to make sure everything is working. So we're gonna go into Claude, create a new chat, and select the plus icon. Then you'll be able to go up to connectors and you should be able to see that the Anaconda MCP is activated. Now we can go ahead and start using it. So we're going to see what Conda environments do I have. And now Claude is reading your actual system. You can verify this yourself in the terminal and compare. This matters because everything else Claude can do with Anaconda MCP is grounded in that real estate. It knows what's there before it starts making decisions. Now let's try something else. Let's create a new Conda environment, and we can install pandas and scikit-learn and XGBoost. This is where Conda awareness actually shows up. Claude isn't generating a Conda command from memory and hoping it works. It's resolving your request and calling Conda directly. There's no pip fallback and no guessing. The reason this works as a foundation and not just as a one-off tool is how it's built. Anaconda MCP is a gateway that composes multiple underlying MCP servers into a single endpoint. The environments and package management capabilities you just saw come from one of those servers, but the architecture is designed to keep expanding. And as new MCP servers and capabilities come online, they appear through the same endpoint you've already configured. The demo repo has 3 full scenarios with step-by-step walkthroughs. All of it is built to let you try things hands-on with realistic materials. Link to the repo, the docs, and the blog post are below. Give them a try and see the difference.